With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's begin with this question. And in this question it says that a ray of light travels from an optically denser medium to the optically rarer medium, where the critical of angle, it says, between the two media is C. So we have to calculate the maximum value of deviation for that particular ray of light. So let's solve this problem and find out which of the following option is going to correct for the question. So let's draw the diagram first. Let's see, this is the diagram for that particular ray, and the ray of light, let's say, coming like this, and it is going. So as we can see that it is going away from the normal. Let's say this is the rarer medium and this is the denser medium. So this is a denser medium. Now to solve this problem, we have to consider two cases. In the case 1, we have to find out the maximum possible deviation in refraction. So maximum deviation in refraction, right? So for maximum deviation in refraction, let's say this is falling here at an angle theta and it is refracting at an angle phi. Now here the deviation will be delta, so deviation will be equal to theta, sorry, it will be equal to phi minus theta. The maximum deviation will be equal to phi minus theta. The reason behind it, whatever the angle more than the value of theta is the deviation, so deviation will be phi minus theta. Now the maximum deviation occurs at the time of refraction is when the ray of light coming from this point will move or grazes the surface of rarer medium. So when it grazes the surface of rarer medium, in that case the angle phi become pi by 2 and the deviation become pi by 2 minus angle theta. But here the ray of light or the refracted ray is moving at a right angle with the normal. So here this angle theta becomes critical angle, and the value of critical angle given in the question is C. So we get the value of deviation, or in the case when the maximum refraction occurs. Now what we have to calculate is the maximum possible deviation. Now the maximum possible deviation is only possible when TIR happens. So when TIR happens, the ray of light gets reflected. It will not refract, it will reflect. So in this case the angle, this angle become theta again. If this angle was theta, then this angle will also be equal to theta. So that means for maximum deviation, TIR should happen. So for maximum deviation, TIR should happen, and for TIR the condition is, first we have to write this, for TIR should happen. So for that case the angle theta will be equal to or less than the critical angle in that case. So maximum deviation will be here. If we figure out that if this angle is theta, then the maximum deviation will be equal to 180 minus 2 theta. So maximum deviation will be delta max will be 180 minus 2 theta, where the minimum value of theta will be equal to the critical angle. So the value of theta will be 2c. So this is the maximum possible deviation that will occur when ray of light passes through the two media. One is rarer, one is denser, other is rarer. So when we move towards the option and figure out, then we can confidently say that the option 3 is going to be the right answer of this question. This was about this question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.